right, Jonathan, talk to the people, man. Let them know what's getting ready to go down.
What's up, guys? I'm also called NYC Park Ninja. Today I'm going to be doing a pistol squat box jump challenge. As many rep sets you can do within 5 minutes. So we've got a timer right here.
Hold on, man. We ain't using that shit, man. I got my timer right here, man. He gonna use my timer, man.
Okay, all right.
All right, man. Here you go, right here. Stop watch. Press that.
I got it, yeah.
Yeah, press that one there in the middle. All right. All right, so when you hit there to start.
All right.
When I tell him to go.
Okay.
All right? Get in position. You get up over here.
All right, this is 50 inches approximately.
All right, Jonathan, go. Hit the timer. Okay.
What's the time? What's the time?
1 minute.
All right, y'all. My man Jonathan doing a box jump pistol squat challenge. See how many he can do in 5 minutes. Let me see that time. Hold that time up.
All right.
Okay. 1 minute 40 seconds, y'all. 1 minute 40 seconds. Where we at on the time, my man?
What time is it?
2 minutes, 20 seconds.
2 minutes 20 seconds, y'all. All right, y'all. Jonathan, NYC Park Ninja doing the box jump pistol squat challenge. It's cold out here today too, man. Y'all see the people walking by in the background, man, all bundled up.
One minute and 30 seconds left.
Okay. Let me see that. Hold it up. Where we at, my brother?
1 minute left.
1 minute left.
30 seconds.
Andy!
20 seconds.
All right, one more set. Come on, let's get it, man. Give me one more. Give me one more. All right. Hold it right there.
All right, time is over.
All right. Hit the stop there where it says stop. You got it? Hold it. 5 minutes, 3 seconds. All right. All right, Jonathan, talk to the people, man. Let them know what just went down.
What's up, guys? I'm out of breath, as you can see.
Thank you.
This is really hard. I've never done this before, and challenge as many rep sets you can do. So you guys are welcome to come down here to Women's Park, Chinatown, try it out yourself. I don't really know how many sets I did, do you know?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Well, I'll put it in the description box what you did. All right, Jonathan, tell them your social media, man.
You can follow me on Instagram, NYC Park Ninja.
All right, link will be in the
Thank
description
Catherine
box.
for having me
You're welcome.
in this video, inviting me out today.
Okay.
Keep training. Have a great year. Stay positive.
Thanks a lot, Jonathan.